Okay. Huh?
This is the main display.
So this is the display, and same thing we can see here also. This is the bigger, so that's all the screens come here. Okay. First is that alarm system alarms. There is a categories, 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. This is all means mains pair because we have switched off the mains MCB. Then rectifier fail, HVLV fail means we are not getting supply in the HVLV. The critical alarm, no critical, major, what are the major, rectifier fail and minor, mains pair and HVLV. So this is a total. Rectifier alarms, 2 rectifiers are failed. Status, float mode means no battery charging, no discharging. Okay, system voltage 52.6. This is, all are the status. We cannot edit in this part. We can see only. We can read only. Okay. This is the log data, and you can see all this data here. Battery, rectifier. Rectifier. How many rectifier? 2 rectifier. But data is not available here. The serial number is not visible. Means rectifier is not registered. So first we have to register rectify. How will register? We'll switch off all this MCB and switch on one number. Mains input. Then only first number rectifier. Then this value will become here. It means it will be registered. Okay. Now second rectifier. Then next value will be come. Now rectifier is registered. One path, one work has been finished. One setting. Then we will see the. Yeah, you can take. No issue. Where we have to paste? Here. Then settings, battery. This is general settings. Oh, sorry, we are going setting now. This is battery capacity. What is that? 200. 200. As per size availability, we have to mention here.
We can edit we can edit
200 or 300?
200. We can edit easily.
Okay.
We can edit. Okay. Submit. Then charge profile. So this is the normal charge profile for float volt, boost volt, charge float. So everything will be available in that set format. These are the things. For example, 3 ampere percent, 5%, 10%. Same thing, 3%, 5%, and 10%. Standard. So we assume that 300 battery bank means 3% will 9 amperes. So it will be take load. So it means it will be take. It means float mode. Okay. If it is going 5%, then it will be charge mode. Okay. And if it is going to 10%, then battery will be come in the current limit, DCL call. So it should become 10%. It should not be goes more than 10. Then this is the equalization part, main important thing which you are asking. So by default we have to disable it. We cannot enable. For this time being we are enable it. And we upgraded software here, so up to 57 voltage we will put. Okay, earlier we cannot exceed more than 55. So but KCB is requirement 56.4. Equalization.
Yeah, boost and equalization.
56.4. So for that purpose we are upgrading software.
So
So-
after upgrading the software, we need to enable it or need to keep it disabled?
After software upgradation, we have to 56.4 this enable. Okay, start time KCB engineer will be inform you or you teach him, you guide him to what time they want
Good
to
for
start time. Equalization mode. 80 will be finished evening time. Morning he will be start. Evening it will be finished. So we can take 20 hours. Means 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock in the
From now, 20 hours.
Not duration is a
No,
60
no.
minutes.
So it will start at
Start hour.
20 hours is the
8 o'clock.
8 p.m. 8 p.m.
No.
8 p.m. Okay.
Then the
60
duration
minutes
is for
60 minutes. But KCB requirement 21 hours. So we have to multiply 60 into 21. How much?
12 plus 60, 1 to 60. 1 to 6. Correct.
Correct, na? Then here is the interval. But
Every
interval
45 days,
so-
it goes automatically into the boost mode.
equalization mode.
Boost and equalization is same, right?
No, boost is 55.2, but the equalization voltage is high. So difference is that boost and equalization. We will put 0 because we are not daily needed. One time equalization for only one time. After that we will disable permanently
For starting only.
for after 80.
Load test, we can disable.
Huh.
Okay, that's it.
So this has to be done after the load test, not the first day.
Thank you.
After load 80, we will set these parameters and submit.
Okay.
Okay.
After 80,
And disable it. Then disable. That your job is over. Now after 80, KCB team will be enable it. That's all. 8 o'clock it will be auto.
After
Start.
80, KC we can
80.
going through this.
Yeah, display also.
Okay, okay.
Same thing. You can show here also.
1 minute for the
After 80, sir.
first
we are
day,
setting it.
these changes. We start 20 hours and the duration of 160 minutes and changing the equation voltage to 56.4. Is done on first day of
First day.
installation or
First
80?
day. First day. First day.
So we do all these things. Then we interval we make it
Zero
zero. We
and
disable it and submit.
submit.
This is on first day.
At the time of commissioning.
At the time of commission.
So after battery
No,
test,
commissioning is second day. Installation is first day. Okay. So first day we need to do this. During installation we need to do this. So how this will get equalization?
Equalization, it should not be goes normally. Battery will be go deep discharge. After that, battery it should be charged through equalization mode.
to what level?
Huh?
To what level?
That is at
56.
56.4 voltage.
No.
For
You
the
should discharge up to what level? Enable it.
So 80 team, battery team will be come and they will be discharged. So I think C10 na?
C10 for 10 hours they will do.
10 hours. Okay. Then
We come on second day.
we will not come.
Not second day.
AC will enable
Next
it.
day for the commissioning we come. After their charging is over.
KC will enable.
No. Wait. Some confusion is there. I will make clear.
That's it.
This work you completed and you went.
Yes.
Okay. 80% will came and he completed his 80. And while he is going back, so they will enable it. Who will do? Other KCB or other battery. He enable and he went. Okay. So if he complete 7 o'clock, he went. 8 o'clock it will be automatic start. Okay. Up to 21 hours. So after 21 hours, otherwise you plan like that. You come same day or sometime, or KCB will become on same time, or he will be disabled. Okay.
After 21 hours.
After 21 hours. So
Automatically it can.
After 21 hours we come and can do the
otherwise, if not disabled, means next day again 8 o'clock it will be start. Okay.
No, it will not start.
Why not?
Start is
Day interval you made it 0,
Huh.
it will never repeat.
No, it will be repeat.
Zero means
Zero
they
means-
repeat every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Ah.
One,
Fixed
one
day.
means,
Can
one
add
means,
one day?
one means repeat every day.
One means
Zero means
alternative.
repeat every day.
Ah.
One means one day after only they repeated.
Alternative.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
One day duration.
So-
but this is a high chance bet. Na? Daily repeated means
It will spoil again.
battery is
So, for that's why. Then we will, if we are not planning something like that, but how is that?
So instead of that.
So we do one thing. We are in installation mode. We can do this, and after that commissioning time we will disable it. Na?
Okay, if we will reach on correct time, then we will disable.
Ah.
Because 8 o'clock means 21 hour what time? 5 o'clock.
But battery person who
Evening.
is enabling
Otherwise we
it.
do one thing. You put the day interval for up to 5 days or anything.
That's what I'm telling.
Ah.
But 5 day, who will put? Who will put? Otherwise KCV,
KCV.
otherwise battery.
Battery.
Because we cannot put the 5 days.
Ah.
If we will put, then battery will be start after 5 days.
5 days.
Ah.
Correct, correct.
Okay. So otherwise we will guide him to
disable it.
after going to equalization mode
Equalization mode.
start.
Hmm.
Then we will change here 0 to 5.
Correct.
5, 6, what are the days? And you can come and then you
But
have
it
to
will
do.
not interrupt. See, जैसे वो इक्वलाइज स्टार्ट हो गया,
हाँ,
बीच में 5 दिन किया,
नहीं कोई
दो
interrupt
साइकिल कंप्लीट होने तक कंट्रोल कुछ नहीं करेगा
कुछ
ना?
नहीं होगा.
ओके.
ओके उसके बाद वो या नहीं तो टेलीफोनिकली कैसे भी वो आपसे बात कर लेंगे हैं कि हाँ भाई 21 आवर कंप्लीट हो गया.
This setting can be done through
Display.
या सेम
So what is saying, even that day when battery people completes their job, either battery person or KCB officer calls us what to do here करके, then we have to tell them to disable it.
disability.
We have to guide them to connect this one, put the
no
password,
need
go to settings,
no need to connect. You can come here and
go to settings.
go to the DC settings,
हाँ.
alarm, 1 second, battery setting and charge profile, then equalization mode is there. It's a tick mark, password 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to disable.
Okay.
It's okay, now it's disable. You can see here also after
So we
disabling.
have to go in charging in equalization mode, disable.
Disable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Password is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
We need to guide them if somebody calls from here. So first day after you do this installation, you need to tell the officer that after your battery installation is done, you call us. Sorry, battery testing is done, you call us. So you will call to disable. Two
No,
things. One is to
Ernakulam-
disable.
Ernakulam
Another
wala
one is
educated.
you get confirmation that battery is work is over. We can come and do our testing. Okay, the two things will come. Sorry.
So the next is okay. After that we have to disable it. Then enable. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, BLVD setting 44, 55.
These are standard settings,
Standard settings.
These are
all
given in
mentioned.
here.
Yeah, he has mentioned. All
So
the
we have to
settings.
follow settings from this.
By default
This
it
is
will
for
be.
with unit, huh?
Nah.
Fabric.
No. We need to print it and bring. Every site we need to bring this one. This is a 80 paper where customer will sign.
PDF.
So standard settings are there.
We need to
You need to
print it.
verify and say write OK.
Okay.
Here mentioned 54.4, but here mentioned 44. 44.
Yeah.
Okay. So customer is asking, okay, leave it 44. We leave it. No
Then we
argument.
need to change here 44.
Huh.
Okay, in the observation 44 and customer will sign. Okay. Correct. No?
Correct, no issue. If you are asking, no, okay, what are the mentioned, we can put 0. Put 0.
Customer want different settings.
Huh.
Let us sign it. We will write whatever you want. We will write and we will take some signature that you want it.
Now DC settings, okay. Voltage and everything is there. Okay, now this is the rectifier settings. Rectifier setting, you have to see number of rectifier installed, SMR installed. 2 numbers. Somewhere 4, so you have to mention 4. And here's voltage is showing 27, but one rectifier, what is the rating? 25. 25 amps. but it's mentioned
Max
27. So then we'll put is 20.
20, okay.
20. One rectifier will be take 20. Should not be reach up to 25. So his life will be more. And submit.
20 means 80%.
Ah. Command.
Current limit also is given in this one.
हाँ. So this is current limit. हाँ?
Why? वो 20 amps करके इसमें दिया है.
हाँ?
इसमें
नहीं
दिया है.
इसमें नहीं दिया. KCB is also asking you can decrease more because there is no load, only battery load and some 5 ampere or 10 amps load.
So this is not given in the paper. We need to remember rectifier current limit we need to change to 20 ampere.
20 ampere, so that is life will be. AC, we cannot do anything. AC communication, what we will do is communication, nothing. We will see this.
Communication.
This,
Baud rate we need to
baud rate.
Why do you
हाँ. Which one you want?
Why do 9610?
9600. Okay. And this is lower board? 96.
Same one.
Same.
Same. Okay. PFC. This is the PFC alarm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Output alarm.
We will see here. This is the output alarm.
Next
And this
page.
is the input. So this is the input.
DA.
Hmm.
Okay.
If customer is asking, okay, show me mains available or not, what are the thing. So mains okay, mains fail. This is one number. We can see that one number. That is the PFC. 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, like that.
You're getting only NO in common, huh? Or NC
No,
also?
NONC.
NC
All,
both are
no,
out.
all
Okay.
NONC.
Okay.
Cabinet, nothing. System. Then you can. This is a side ID. As per your wish, you have a time. You
Side
can.
ID.
You
White
can.
line.
White line. V Y. Spelling.
T.
T.
Double T.
T. Double T.
I L.
LA.
I L.
White line.